everybody, Justine here from theartscollege.com, and we're answering all our inspiring, creative questions out there coming through. And the question for today is, what is technical drawing? So technical drawing is a process of understanding steps to achieve an outcome with your drawing. And you're using various tools to be able to achieve that outcome. In those tools, there are parts of measuring. Now, whenever I say that we actually do a lot of maths in our art, people freeze, including myself, because I did not like maths in school. In fact, it was suggested I leave maths behind and never look back at it, which is really interesting from my maths teacher. Yet we're doing so much calculating and measuring within our maths and within art. I still see it as the fun version of it, so I don't see it as a bad version. And what we're doing is we're using a lot of what we call angles. We're looking at spaces. We're looking at comparing things together. And all of that forms your technical drawing. Your technical drawing process is understanding how to break down to measure. And I'm not talking about the grid, because the grid, I feel personally, is teaching you to remain a copycat and never an individual in your own painting and your own style. So technical drawing is just how you're getting those angles, how you're achieving the proportion to the actual model of what you're looking at. So if you're looking at a chair and you're getting that proportion, how do you achieve that through technical drawing? So it's a system of steps to achieve an outcome using a bit of maths and angles.